Creating a Scrum project in Jira involves setting up the necessary configurations to manage tasks, sprints, and team collaboration effectively. Here's how to set it up. Create a new Scrum project. Log into Jira and navigate to your Jira dashboard. Click on the Create button in the top navigation bar and select Create Project. Select Scrum Template. Choose the Scrum project template when prompted. This template is specifically designed for Agile Scrum methodology. Define project details. Enter essential details such as project name, key, and project lead. Customize project permissions and roles as needed. Configure board settings. Configure the Scrum board settings. Define columns to represent different stages of your workflow. Set up sprints. Define your first sprint by navigating to the board and clicking on Create Sprint or Plan Sprint. Set sprint duration, goals, and start or end dates. Add user stories. Create user stories for tasks that need to be completed during the sprint. Assign tasks to team members and prioritize them accordingly. Use Scrum features. Utilize Scrum features such as backlog prioritization, sprint planning, burn down charts, and velocity tracking to monitor progress and adjust plans as needed. Collaborate and iterate. Encourage collaboration among team members using Jira's commenting, mentioning, and attachment features. Iterate through sprints, holding daily stand-ups and sprint reviews.